Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I've got paper dolls on parade and some display cards to show. These will all be available in the shop. There will be links in the description box where you can find them. So let's get started. I want to show you my creations that are available. And they are all originals, so they're one of a kind, and when they're gone, they're gone. So if someone's purchased it, then on the shop it'll say out of stock, and then eventually they'll be removed from the shop, but I'm leaving them on there just temporarily because the videos are fairly new and people can go in and check around in the shop and see what else is available. So grab them while the getting is good. Let's get started. So the first paper doll, her name is Aurelia. She is a mermaid, beautiful long hair, a pearl in her hair, a pearl on her seashell top. She has movable arms that are positionable that you can change and move. Her tail is sparkling sequin scales, bright colored tail. She is just super beautiful. So that is Aurelia the mermaid. This is Beekeeper Beatrice. She has a beautiful little mesh veil, popped up bees. The flowers are dimensional. She's got a pot of honey with honey dripping from it. Her little beehive. Little hair ties. She's super cute. So that is Beekeeper Beatrice. And their backstories, their stories are listed in the descriptions in the shop for the dolls. So each one has a story to tell. This is Felicia the florist. Beautiful flowers. A tissue paper skirt. Embellished shiny shoes. Felicia the florist. This little cutie is Bingo Betsy. Isn't she darling? So Bingo Betsy's got her bingo card. She is a bingo aficionado, and her little pocket has her little bingo daubers that come out. So she's got two little bingo daubers that tuck down in her little pocket, ready for her to go off and play bingo today. So that is Bingo Betsy. This is Babe the beekeeper. She has a cute little mesh veil and dimensional flowers. She's got her little beehive, her little honey jar that goes in her pocket, layered with lace and bees. She has gems on her shoes, sparkly. Actually, I think those are, they're sparkly sequins on her shoes. The bees are dimensional. This is just a super cute one. Her little pocket is stitched. So that is Babe the beekeeper. This is Seamstress Suzanne. She has a metal earring, which is a spool, a thread spool earring that's hung from chain. Tulle little headpiece with a vintage sewing machine. She has movable arms. In this hand she has a pair of scissors. In this hand she has a reel, needle and thread. There's a vintage hooks and eyes card. Some vintage buttons. This is a dress form charm, a thimble. There's snaps, a flower made from sewing machine patterns, some lace. She's just so cute. That is Seamstress Suzanne. And the paper dolls prices are based on time and materials, and also since there's only one of a kind, so if someone gets the original handmade doll, I've scanned them, and so there's a new set of digitals available in the shop as well that has paper dolls that I've listed in the shop, so that you can get the download digitals and have them for printing them out, cutting them out, and using them as focal points in your projects. So you could still make a tag from this, or put it in your art journal as a focal, or do something fun with it. So this is a set of digitals also available in the shop that is not going to be mailed to you. This is a download digital that you print out once you purchase it. Next are some altered memory decks cards with Julie Nuttings, and this is Nikki in her bedroom. This is a memory decks card of Jean in front of her cottage cabin. This is Mia at the hot air balloon race. This one is called Perspective. It's all perspective with some cute girls on an altered Rolodex card with a mixed media background. So this Dreamy Dragonfly has a metal piece that has metal roses, little mini doilies, the saying everything has beauty. It's got real flower petals and a wax seal that features a beautiful dragonfly. So that is an altered memory decks card. And the last one is Seascape. This is a textured background with a beautiful seascape of a brass starfish and the saying, if you're lucky enough to be different, never change. That is an altered Rolodex card. So that's lots of fun things, new things in the shop. Check them out. Digitals to download and print if you're interested, or if you actually want handmade paper dolls and display cards. These are for sale in the shop. And I'm in the process of making some more display boxes, all different sizes, shapes, and designs. So keep checking back at the shop. There's a link in the description box below. And I'm just so touched by all the people who've been looking at the shop and purchasing things, and every penny of it helps me out. So thank you so much for all the support to my small business shop. Thank you so much. So go make some art today, because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs.